Hey y'all, it's your girl Sashi E. Welcome back to my channel and my weight loss series. I've lost over 7 pounds in total, yay! And I've decided to strengthen my core. The first exercise I'll be doing is planks. Planks are an ideal exercise to strengthen your abdomen because it engages all your major core muscles, including your obliques. I love planks, but my entire body shakes when I do them. Leave a comment if your entire body shakes when you do planks. The next exercise I'll be doing are flutter kicks. Flutter kicks are great because they do engage the muscles in my lower abdomen. The muscles in my lower abdomen are weak, so I was ready for the 30 seconds to be over. The next exercises I'll be doing are scissor kicks. These kicks engage your transverse abdominis, which are the deepest muscles in our stomachs. These muscles aid in stability, posture, and balance. The next exercises are heel touches. These babies work our obliques to get rid of those stubborn love handles. The next exercises are crunches. These are an oldie but a goodie, and they target your six-pack muscles. I do want to mention that I am wearing a sweatband around my waist. I love this thing so much, y'all. Whenever I see that I've sweated a lot, I feel like I did a great workout. I got it from Walmart about 8 years ago. It was only $5 at the time. I'll search online to see if I can find something similar, and I'll leave it in the description box. Like standard crunches, these reach-through crunches target your six-pack muscles. These toe touches targets your abs and also your obliques. These Russian twists are everything, y'all. I love doing these, especially because I know they're gonna help me get my obliques in order. I'm gonna use this exercise to burn off those stubborn love handles. These leg raises are great because they target your lower abdomen and burn stubborn unwanted fat. For my last 30 seconds increment, I decided to do my two favorite ab workouts, which are Russian twists and planks. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one. Bye!